Are you thinking of investing in an Airbnb in the near future? Some locations make hosts way more money than others. I'll reveal the top destinations that are booming right now in 2025. Hi, my name's Jeff Lloyd, an Airbnb coach and investor, helping hosts like you maximize profits and secure direct bookings. If you're looking to invest in the right location or optimize your existing listing, you're in the right place. Let's dive into what we can do. I'm going to show you here on screen now. I'm going to show you exactly what to look for when you're researching for your next Airbnb. Right. So you come onto Airbnb, you put your location in, which is in my case United Kingdom. Is the map right there. So straight away, you'll notice what's come up. These are trends. These are favorites. These are what people are searching for right now. So Airbnb get a lot of data for the locations where people are booking, and the most Airbnb have their own algorithm, which when you put your country in, city, whatever, you will see that the top hosts on here, the top destinations, through the trend of the algorithm, that will know what people are searching for, where they're searching for them, what the reviews are like, was it a good stay or a bad stay. All these here now that you see, and especially on the map as well, will be the top destinations and also the top places to stay. So if we click on this flatten tide and where these are trending, by the way. So if you go to the tabs at the top of here, you'll see a little tab called trending. Click on that, it'll show you what's trending right now. Now, I've noticed after December up to March, people like to get away for like countryside stays, cabins, and stuff like that. So you'll see a lot of cabins, a lot of getaways, beachfronts, countryside. Most of them are cabins. So that's what's trending right now is cabins. But what you want to find out is what are the top destinations. So if you look on the map, zoom in, first one, I don't know where this one is. Azali? Azali. Never heard of it. It's a top destination though. It's on the map. It's there first. So we need to look at that. Second one is in West Yorkshire, countryside again. And also you've got the loft in Penman. I can't even pronounce that. Can you pronounce that? Penmachno. Penmachno. And why are these words so difficult to read? Monu. I'm not even going to try. But as you can see, all these ones that you click on, these are the top destinations and what are trending right now. Also, at the top to the left side, you've got top cities. So if you are a city Airbnb host or you're becoming one, and a lot of these training courses have told you to go to city centers only, which are supposedly to work better than all other places, then no, not really. But if you are in a city, tap that and straight away it'll give you the top cities that people are booking right now. So the first one is Rosan Sea. I hope I pronounced that right. I haven't even got my glasses on. You got the Worksworth, then you've got Langland Sea, which is Langland, obviously, northeast, Bath. So these ones you see on the map, these are the top these are what people are looking for now. These are where people are staying. So if it was me and I was trying to find out where I was wanting to invest my next Airbnb, I'd look at this map, I'd pick the closest to me. I'm in Liverpool, so I'm going to click this one, click that, see where it is. Countryside, lovely. Let's have a look at the pictures. Yeah, loft style cabin, lovely. Nice scenery, nice views. So I'd consider going over to Cheshire in the countryside. A lot of demand, and this property here came up straight away for that area, so it must be good. Let's have a look at the reviews. 4.98, literally a 5 star, really nice. Sorry, I was just doing something. Let's go back to the home. So as soon as you click Airbnb, these are all the top destinations. As you can see, they're mostly cabins. In the summer, this will change. Still have cabins on, but it'll be like cities and centre parks and stuff like that. So depending on what's trending, this will give you more insight of the locations where it's trend. If you just want to click the map down the bottom here, excuse me, click the map, zoom in, just have a look. Even got the OMG, Wales, Pembrokeshire, nice. So that's how you find reputable and more potentially profitable places for your Airbnb. So if you live near any of these, you don't have to live near it. You can systemize it to get it managed by someone else, or you can hire someone down there who lives there who's looking for the job, do the check-ins or do any cleaning, maintenance or anything. So Yeah, let's have a look at this one. 900, the outdoor one, cabin, Hightown. I've been to Hightown, but this is, I've never seen this one before. But yeah, just a bit of an insight of if you're looking to invest in Airbnb, this is what you do: is go onto the normal page. Airbnb will give you all the areas that are really trending right now, and it will give you the places that are good on the reviews where people are booking. They always monitor where people are looking for with regards to location and destinations, and they will show them on the first page. And if you just have a little play around with all these tabs, which I go to the trending one, the first one, this is what's trending. Finland, these around the world. So you got to put your country in there. But for now, I'm just going to have a little explore where I can visit. Very good. St. Lucius, nice. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Now that you have the best places to start or grow your Airbnb, which location excites you the most? Drop a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the little notification bell. Also, the like button if you like this video, to give you some value. And I will see you in the next video.